Alright guys, we got a 2010 Porsche Cayman S front bumper removal or a 987. So if you guys need to remove your front bumper, this is the video for you guys. So if you guys also need this front bumper already painted to color match exact color of your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source where the part is already painted to color match your car and shipped straight to you, and you guys can install it with the help of this video. So first and foremost, we're gonna come over here. So the side marker light, you actually have to push back like this, and then the tabs will release, just like that. You have to push back, so this tab right here releases, and there's a clip right here. So this one got all sorts of wires, but it's not usually like that. They probably changed out the side marker to like these LED light strips. And then once you guys have that removed, maybe this. So again, this one's a little bit modified. I think this should just be a clip. Oh, push down on it. So push down on it and it'll release the side marker. Okay. So do the exact same thing on the other side. I had this tool because if you guys don't, it's hard to take off. It's something like this and then pry it like that. See? Easy. And again, take off this, push down on this, and your side marker's off. So if you guys don't want to take off your wheel, go ahead and rotate the wheel this way, and then right inside, right here, up here, and up down here, it's going to be four, I believe it's T25. Let me check. So it's going to be a T25 Torx. Let me just double check it is correct. Yep. So all you do is go back here, take this off. And they're going to be like these types of Torx, and four of them. I'm going to check underneath if there's any screws that I need to take off there. So there is. So it looks like I gotta take this one off. Okay, so if you guys look right here, underneath you gotta take this one off. And then this one off. And then this one off. And that looks like it's coming off. So then you just pull this back like this. And then slide it out. Just like that. And if you guys go underneath here, so right here guys, there's also another T25 you guys have to remove. So T25 is right here, and that holds the bumper in place right here. So there's a wire harness right here you take off. And then I believe you just push on it. Alright, so there's a wire harness right here guys. So when I was pushing down on it, it wasn't doing anything. I don't know if it's broken, but I took a like something like this and I pushed down on this and it released the tab. So I'm thinking, I thought this was supposed to release it, but I think this one's broken maybe. Yeah, so this one's supposed to release it. So I guess maybe just push down on it a little harder. As you guys can see, it moves it, but it's not coming as easily down. So if you guys have something like this, you can guys kind of pick on it and push up like that and release it. Okay, so that's the wire harness you guys have to take off. So exact same thing that we did on this side, we're gonna go ahead and turn the wheel on the opposite side. So again, same exact thing that you guys did on the other side. All right. So now this one can just go ahead and come off. Just like that. Alright, so that should be it. If you guys have the option for like a windshield washer fluid or the headlight washer fluid or headlight washer, there's going to be a plug right here you take off, okay? But this one doesn't have that option. So now I'm going to go underneath the vehicle. I'm just going to follow along. So we already took off the ones over here. And then follow along on the bottom. There's going to be screws right here. That's it. So yeah, just follow along down on the bottom of your bumper and look for all the screws. And I forgot to mention, remember this one right here. This one, so you guys can see there's a screw right here, but it's off of this fender already. So well, that's rotating, but so you guys can see there's a screw right there. Take that off. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is gonna lift up the hood. Like that. And these panels need to come off. So on these panels right here on the side, you just push up on them and slide them just like that. And do the same thing on this one. You see, slides underneath there. This one, this one. And then these are going to be, I believe, T30s, but let's double check. So it's going to be, I believe it's going to be T30 right here. Yeah, so T30s up here. Let's take this off. T30s right here, okay guys? There's going to be 3 of them on top. So if you guys have a pick like this makes the job easier to take this off right here. So there's like a hole and you take this off. So it's like on the end of the bumper. It looks like this. There's another one right here. See, it's more in there. This one I was just showing you guys. So again, if you guys have a pick like this makes it a lot easier. Ah, it broke. So that could happen too. These are, you know, 16 years old. But we can just get that clip at the local dealership. So we'll get another one of these. So if everything is done correctly and everything's off, then we should just be able to pull the bumper off. But also, just be careful, those fog lights right there, they may have wiring, so we're just gonna pull it off slowly, okay? So let me just make sure I'm not missing anything. Let me see if I'm missing anything. Oh, so I am missing something.
Okay.
So I was missing the screw right here. So you guys can see now it's very easy to come off. So I'm thinking like this little piece right here, I need to take it off. Let me just see on the other side. So what I was referring to is this piece right here. There's a hole right here that you guys put this. So again, it should just easily come off. So that's why when I was having a hard time, I knew something was wrong. See, it should just easily come off. So the bumper just comes off like that. But there's like these prongs right here, you see? When you pull it, it'll disengage this. And that's why I was having a hard time coming off. And then there's this wire harness that I was talking about. You take this off. And then there's this harness right here. Let's see if you can take off the harness from right here. Oh no. So there's this harness right here for the fog light. Look right here. There's a plug. And they're right here. But these things are like so old, you might have a hard time coming off. But usually just press on this.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this thing right here, it's a plug, and you just push down on this thing. So same thing on this plug right here. So you guys can see, I put something in here to press down on it and it released it. So the reason why we're having a hard time is because this cover right here is not releasing this harness, which is a little bit longer or bigger. Let's see if we take this off. Look at that harness. It's like still in there. Look how they did it. That is crazy. So now we just gotta take this bolt off so this will release this fog light. So right there. There. Alright guys, so that's how you take off the front bumper of a 2010 Porsche Cayman S or 987. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you. And again, if you guys need this bumper for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source.